from inside, and maybe put those fog lamps in there. It looks kind of good from there. Yeah, see that. Oh, I'm gonna give you a suggestion for these trims.
Yeah.
See how faded they are? I'll show you what I use. There's a really nice paint that you can use. It's not glossy, it's like black, but it's like almost like matte black, and then it will make it look so nice. All right. Oh, you have cloth seats too. That's cool, man.
Yeah, the cloth seats.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
All right.
Stick shift everything. Yeah, we're gonna turn it on for like a little bit, maybe 10 seconds or so. So I just want to hear it.
Yeah, might be.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Give it some time. Yeah, it sounds like a diesel. Sounds like my car.
I told him, I know, no, it's normal. No, it's not normal. I know what it should be.
Yep. Alright, good. Just kill it. Shut it off. Alright, good enough. We're gonna jump right into this thing. Yeah, other than that, I like the color. Color's so unique, man.
Yeah, it is unique.
Usually, like they're like really common colors are like silver or something like that, you know.
Because I don't know if it's any new oil. I mean, I know it's a little bit of new oil, but I can't tell where it was coming from.
Okay. Well, that's a good thing that you actually came from. It's gonna be easy.
I can.
Yeah. Also, I'm gonna actually. I'm just gonna take this off. See how everything is easy and accessible on old school cars?
Yeah.
It's just crazy. Can't compare it to new ones.
That's kind of why I went with the old.
Okay. Oh yeah. From the inside? You mean the inside the valve? Well, we'll see. Needs a cleaner. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, let's get this valve cover gasket off. We'll clean some of this stuff, make it nicer.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Pancakes to the.
Oh, that's kind of horrible. Damn, they really didn't change oil on time.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Let's see. Alright guys, so we're gonna adjust these valves. I'm using the alternator to turn the crankshaft. It's a 22 millimeter bolt, not on the alternator that actually turns it. And these valves are pretty loose actually. You can hear that. It's way too much play in them. So what I did is we're gonna start from this third cylinder. I want to make sure the rockers are away from the lobes themselves. Alright, so this cylinder was adjusted, both valves. So this is how you adjust them. You have 10 millimeter nut right here you have to loosen up, and right here you have eccentric in the middle. You use an Allen key to move it one way or the other. And then you have to use 0.008 of an inch feeler gauge that you actually put in between the rocker arm right there and the top of the valve. Oh great.
Top of the valve. Oh great.
Should have a drag. So there it is. You can kind of see it, and then you have a drag, and then also you choose the size. One size higher, and you gotta make sure that that size doesn't go through, which it doesn't. You know, you can still feel play, but they're adjusted now to the right spec. You know, this camshaft is a little worn out too. That's another problem. Some of these camshaft lobes are worn out because of lack of maintenance. I can feel flat spots on the camshaft lobes, at least this one. Let's see, next cylinder will be most likely that one. Engine needs a lot of cleanup and yeah, needs a lot of work. As you can see, maybe you can see, the camshaft's kind of worn out. It has like groove in it, so it's not normal. Okay, now cylinder 2 is top dead center. Alright, there's one valve. You can barely hear it. Now this one. This one is adjusted to spec as well. So, and also you can check out that flat spot right there on the camshaft. Yeah, if you really want, you can go ahead and try. There's an open camshaft lobe. You can look at it. Like, you can really see how bad it is. You can look at which one is it? This one right there. You see the flat spot?
Yep.
So yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
You know, but long story short, I'm gonna try to tighten them up. You know, just to, we'll see. Maybe it will actually get better. As of right now. Yeah. You know, and you'll probably need to get you know, either, you know, take this head off, you know, probably swap the camshaft, or, you know, just grab another engine. You know, that'll be probably the best thing. But I mean, it's gonna drive. You know, so I'll try to make it, you know, as best as we can here. You know, right now. All right, so I'm not gonna clean this much, just a little bit. You know, I don't want to loosen any junk right now. But I tightened up some valves, so we'll see if that made a difference or not. If not, then it will need to be, you know, either the camshaft will have to be replaced, or you will get, you know, a used engine, something, you know. But a gasket. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I don't think it's. I mean, it's a pretty good brand actually. Okay, yeah, so you cleaned it a little bit. That's fine. That's good enough. We don't want to loosen any of that junk right now. There we go.
A few moments later.
Gotcha, yeah. Yeah, awesome.
No, to see where they're leaking, because they have some oil.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, just try it, see what happens. Fire it up. I tightened those up. I tightened those pretty well, you know. Like the ones that were loose, you know, but I don't want to go too crazy. I can re-tighten them again, but I just don't want to go too crazy. Just because that's the problem basically. It has the camshaft is really worn out, you know, and it needs just needs to be changed, or, you know, put a different head on or a different engine, you know. But like I said, if you're gonna get a different engine, you know, I would probably just change everything on it, you know, like gaskets, you know, timing chain, and then you're gonna have a new engine that's gonna go for like another 100 years, you know. So they really didn't maintain the car. Yeah, that's about it, you know. And that camshaft got worn out kind of bad, but like I said, I mean, you can still drive like that, you know. It's gonna be annoying, but it's gonna go fine, you know. You have engine oil is full, so it's gonna be fine. My GoPro died, guys, so I gotta do this. Yeah, it's gonna make a U-turn. Yeah, we need to figure out he's gonna need a different head for that thing, or a different camshaft. That camshaft is really worn out because they didn't do they didn't maintain the car properly, unfortunately. But she looks pretty good, guys, right?